Hey guys, just want to make a quick video on how to properly use the referral code. Use your correct payment method to ensure that you get your 3 months full self-driving on your new Tesla. At the end of the video, I will give you my referral code so that you can get 3 months full self-driving feature on your Tesla, which is worth about $199 a month for 3 months. So you're saving about $600. First thing you want to do is hit the referral code, which takes you to the Tesla app. Make sure that you're logged in. As you can see, I'm on the app now. And there it is. 3 months of full self-driving capabilities for the 3, the Y. It does not include it for the S and the X. At that point, you can go on to Tesla here and either build your car or explore inventory. Once you do so, another quick tip, as long as you're within the same state and or a state that will allow you to register out of state, you can click all deliverable with your zip code, and it gives you a broader range of what you can select from. A lot of times you can find some cheaper prices. So let's just say we pick this one. Okay. So we're going to view details on that. All right. Referral code is added. Here's where it gets tricky. So what you want to do is, as you go in to pay and you go to continue payment, just make sure that you're ordering with your card on file. If Apple Pay is the form of payment you use that. But if you used a credit card on your account, use that. Because if you use one or the other that's not tied into your account, it's going to delete the full self-driving promo. So I just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that, because I wasn't, and there's nothing that Tesla sales advisors were able to do about it. So my loss is your gain. I will include my referral code at the end so that you can ensure to get the full self-driving feature for 3 months. Thanks, guys.